Good morning. It's a bit chilly and it's 20 past 4 in the morning. Guess who's running 20 minutes late? I'll still get into work on time, but I'm 20 minutes late. Anyway, just a quick test on the GoPro in low light conditions, and I can safely say this is low light because it's pitch bloody black, or it will be when I get onto the country road. So I'll just see how it picks up the low light, or no light in this case it'll be. Not hoping for anything drastic like, but we'll see. I mean, most action cameras don't really record that well in the dark anyway, so it'll be interesting to see how the DJI handles it. Anyway, I'm going to crack on and head into work. Hey, Cardle, music off. Right, that's as in pitch black conditions, and if I flick the main beam on, that's the main beam. I doubt very much that the camera will pick it up, so you probably won't notice much of a difference, but obviously the road's lit up for me and I can see perfectly well. So that'll be interesting to see how the DJI picks this up. And this is us coming into some light, so we'll see how the camera picks this up. And from lightness back into darkness. We'll say cheerio to you. Goodbye. Lightness into dark. Very dark. I just love it when the roads are like this. Dead quiet. I really do. Absolutely hee-haw coming out of the hotel. Hee-haw coming out of Cannon Lane, or Cannon Street. Yeah, it holds us on red, so they can go to green. Absolute fucking bullshit. Right, I'll wrap this segment up here and I'll see you on the return journey. Well, that's another one done, and it's homeward bound. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how the low light footage turned out. I'm sure it's a mess. With the DJI. I mean, I'm not expecting fantastic results, like, especially on the pitch black. I mean, no action camera can pick up in the dark, but it'll be interesting to see how it looked on the street lights. Now yous have probably already seen it before me, because I haven't put the video together yet, obviously. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So now it's just a matter of battling my way out this shithole which they call Edinburgh. And a red light. No surprises there. About time. And also just my luck, that's the rain started. Where are you going? You're going that way, that's good. Thank you, sir. I'll go this way. KL07 Vol. Do you think that's because he's got a Volvo? I tell you, the wind's starting to pick up again. I think we're in for a storm. I had a nice clear lane and you had to spoil it, eh? Just nip in front of you, pal. Bloody wind. I believe the weather's to be really bad tomorrow, so if that's the case, I'll take the car. Let's make use of the bus lane until there's a car parked in it. Why have bus lanes and then loading bays or parking bays within the bus lane? It really doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense at all. You really need to do something with this stretch. Honestly, it's an absolute minefield. Well, the good news, that's us on the home straight now. Where are you going, Fiat? What is it with Fiats? This can be a bad junction if you don't take it properly. Many an accident here. As the cars in this middle lane, some of them try and cut over too early and they end up rattling the cars on the inside lane. There we go, we can breathe now. Finally out the city. Tell you that's some bloody wind. It's the rain starting to get a bit heavier. Get it off the lid. Go. Hopefully we should get home before we get wet. Trust me to get stuck behind a bus, but at least he'll be turning off in just a minute. He's an X20, I'm pretty sure that turns left up here, and it does. There we go. Toodaloo. Now I'll end up getting stuck behind a tractor, watch. Oh, the lights are working in my favour for a change. What's going on here? Oh, you just put your indicator on now. Can't wait to get home. Bloody hell, man. This weather's really turning. Are these traffic lights back? Bet they are. They had the traffic light sign up there yesterday and there was no traffic lights. And it looks like the sign's back up again. Aye, the traffic lights are back. Well, the sign's there anyway, so I'm only guessing that the lights are there. And you get dilly-dallies like this in the white van that end up creating such a big gap that you miss the lights. This'll do. The sign's actually blown over where it tells you to wait behind. Come on lights, I'm starting to get wet here. Windy, windy. What's that flapping about? God knows. Oh! Alex will like that. That's Alex's favourite camera. Finally bagged it off. I believe these older cameras, the reason why they're bagging them off is because they can't get the film for them. Yet the local authorities tell you, oh, there's no need for them, they've done their job. Bollocks. They've only been covered up until they find replacements, i.e. the new digital ones that can tell you what colour of socks you're wearing. So don't be fooled, people. They're not bagged off to do you a favour. They're only bagged off because the technology's out of date. And on that note, I'm just going to wrap it up here. And I'll see how the footage turns out on this, but I think this should really be the last test. Because I pretty much think I've got the settings all dialed in. And I would just like to thank everyone for their comments in the last video. Picardo radio off. And as I was saying, I would just like to thank everyone for their comments in the previous video. That stayed off, good. Very much appreciated. Anyway guys, I'm getting wet. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.